Tesla fam, guys, today we're going to be making your navigation experience, right, even more faster by setting up your favorite destinations with just a few taps, guys. You can actually save time and quickly get directions to your go-to spots. So I have added for you an outline at the top left. You can follow along. So what you want to do, guys, basically in step one, you want to basically open up the navigation screen. Just start by tapping on the navigate button on your Tesla's touchscreen to open up the map and the navigation screen. Then you want to do what do you want to do, guys? You want to search for your destination. So next you want to just enter the address or place you want to save as a favorite. You can type it in the search bar or actually select it from your recent destinations. And once you have basically selected your destination, you just want to tap on the three-dot menu, guys. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen and select add to favorites. Okay, make sure you select add to favorites. This will basically save your location for easy access later. And guys, to actually access your favorite destinations, to use your favorite destinations, you want to simply tap on the navigate button again, and then tap on favorites. And here you'll see a list of all the locations you have saved, ready to navigate with just one tap. And that's it, guys. Now you can save time on the road with your favorite destinations all set up. So go ahead, guys. Hit that link in the description, guys, to upgrade your ride even further. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you in the next video.